Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chrysler 300 Limited all-wheel drive, stock number Z9316A. Only 27,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Ivory Pearl in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Beat sound system, 10 speakers with subwoofer. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized moonroof. Start. Large, easy to read ice blue gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, large touchscreen 8.4-inch infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated front seats, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 8-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's material. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this 300 has a 3.6 liter V6, 292 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a large all-wheel drive sedan. EPA average of 18 miles per gallon and a city average of 27 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. For more information on this 300, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.